Okay, all it takes to make paper mache is I have some flour here in a bowl. I'm gonna add some water. And I'm gonna mix it up. Just like making pancakes. And I just mix it by sight. I want it to be thick but runny. Maybe like a nice thick paint or something. If it's too watery, when it dries, it's not really gonna be hard. It'll just be really thin and crumble away. That seems a little bit thick still, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more water. Pretty good. That's about right. Okay, now that I've mixed up my paper mache paste, now I just need some newspapers. I have a bunch of old newspapers, and I'm just gonna tear them into strips. Just like this. Look at that. It's the comics. That's a good one. Let's take a paper, dip it in the paper mache. Sort of get off all the excess, and then just start wrapping my sculpture and move to another paper. Just keep doing this until you have a nice, I do 2 or 3 coats of paper.